Here's how to delete all of your Reddit posts and comments using Redact. First, go to redact.dev and download the free desktop app for Windows or Mac. Redact also works on iOS and Android, all from a single account and subscription. Install the app, open it, and create your free account. When you enter your email, Redact will send you a code to set up your account or log back in. None of your social media accounts or deletion data is connected to your email address or to your Redact account. From here, you can select Find My Accounts, and Redact will scan supported browsers on your device for social media accounts. You can also click Add Account, search and select Reddit, then continue to connect. Your login details are never seen or stored by Redact. They're sent directly from your device to Reddit, just like a saved login on a browser. Now choose what you want to delete. Easy mode lets you get started quickly. Just select posts, comments, or both, and then set your date range. To wipe your entire Reddit history, set the start point to all time and the end point to now. Leave the filters blank and run the deletion. If you're using a free Redact account, your posts and comments will be edited to strings of random words. This makes the original content more difficult to find on Reddit archive sites. You can fully delete Reddit content with a Redact subscription. However, we recommend editing first for security. For more control over your deletion, switch to advanced mode. From here, you can filter by subreddit, post and comment types, keyword, NSFW tags, flair, and karma. You can also customize the bulk edit settings here. Note that most advanced features require a premium subscription. Once your filters are set, you can preview first to make sure you're not removing anything you want to keep, or go straight to deletion. Click Start Deleting and keep the app running while redact.dev removes your posts and comments. Reddit anonymization is free with Redact. You can edit as many comments and posts as you want. If you want to go further, a premium subscription unlocks deletion from over 30 services, advanced filters, scheduled deletion, including disappearing mode, which automatically wipes your new posts on a recurring schedule so your digital footprint never builds up again.